want you to grow up?
I have to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 'cause I can drive a car.
And what else?
And play. But I'll be a baby for a little bit.
For a little bit? But I want you to be my baby forever.
I will.
You promise? I really don't want you to grow up.
I have to grow up. I'll be your baby forever, and then I will grow up too.
Okay.
Matele, Matele, hey Matele, Matele, ah Matele, Matele.
I love you.
I love you too, man.
And you're my favorite dada.
Am I?
Yeah.
This is it. Wait, hold on. I'm your favorite dada.
Yeah.
Let's get this right. How many daddies do you have?
I don't have lots of daddies.
You don't have lots, no?
No, I just have one.
And who is that?
You.
Okay. Woo! You had me worried there for a second, girl. Woo!
Who's my hero? It's a great question. Well, I think my dad is my hero because he's someone that I look up to every day. And, my dad.
As you get older, when you're a kid, you don't necessarily understand or even appreciate what your dad is trying to do for you. But it's only when you get older, you step back, you move out the house, maybe even start a family on your own, you start to really realize, man, what that man meant to me. My dad, what he tried to teach me, all the lessons.